Fresh living. Okay, I was thinking this morning, I think it a lot actually, but adulting is hard.
It is so hard. And I didn't ask for it. I just woke up one day and I was considered an adult.
Did we sign up?
I mean, I used quotation marks because I don't think I am one.
We might have signed up and didn't realize it. It's not like read the terms of service. Nobody reads it. Maybe it was in there somewhere.
Yeah, well, we signed
It doesn't
somewhere.
come with a manual, that's for sure.
Actually, I may have one. Just a small manual for
really?
you. Yes.
Let's see.
I found this, How to Be a Better Adult in 2024 in these 5 easy steps. They say it's easy. Here we go.
Lay it down,
All right.
Kari.
You said
Here we go.
easy, so I'm gonna hold you to that.
Here's number 1. Purge a subscription or 2. So what's more adultish than knowing where all your money is? One easy thing you can do is find out where those reoccurring charges are coming from but don't really need anymore. So look through those, see if you can do a couple less, one less maybe?
I think they actually have a service that will just go through your credit card statements and find things that you even forgot about, remind you. So yeah, that's a great one. Yeah.
And because I think there are some apps on your phone that you can end up subscribing to and then forget that you're paying for it.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Perfect. Second one, do a friend overview. Maintaining friendships is important, but it's not effortless. Some of your favorite people may be fading into the background because life is busy, but you don't have to let it happen. Make a list of everyone you want to give lots of love to in 2024 and be intentional about making time.
I like how you said be intentional. So it's maybe that you have a people on a list that you're like, I need to be really intentional about visiting these people. And then some of these other people, like, think about your relationships with them.
Especially with the family circus, we get so distracted with all these things. Yes, other relationships can suffer. So that's a great inventory to take. And then be intentional. It's great.
Intentional.
Good advice.
Learn a new household skill. If you've already mastered cooking, learn how to clean your dryer ducts or how to fix a tail light or change a tire. There's no shortage of people on the internet waiting to share their knowledge, so you can learn how to do that.
That is so true. The internet is full of knowledge on that.
It really is.
So for me, I'm not a good cook. So that would be a great thing for me and everyone that I cook for.
I can't change a tire.
Can you get a bachelor's degree from YouTube these days? I feel like you probably
I think
could.
so.
I can help you change a tire. I can
I'll
do
help
that.
you cook. We'll switch.
Oh, this is awesome. Teamwork.
Cool. I want something. What do I got to do?
You can teach us how to do dad jokes. How's that?
You're really good at that one.
That's a household
I have
chore,
a
I'm
doctorate
sure.
in that, apparently.
You're good at that one, David.
I'm so sorry.
We love your dad jokes. Okay, third one, take time for mental health hygiene. So life can be stressful, but you don't have to go through it being stressed. One way to avoid it is spending just 15 minutes a day on an activity that brings you a sense of calm, like drinking tea, stretching, or calling a friend. Just 15 minutes a day.
You don't need to earn joy. You inherently can have it.
Yes. Decide what really matters to you. This one may feel harder, but you can make it manageable. So pretend it's 2025 and that you're proud of yourself for accomplishing something you really wanted to work on. So you're going to look back. What would look good to you if you're looking back?
Oh, interesting. Okay. I really like those.
And that's 5. I was counting wrong. I thought I gave you 4. That's all of them. So those are the 5 tips.
That's a great list, though. It's a good
I
reminder.
love the mental hygiene one because we always think of, physical hygiene, but sometimes, you need to clear out your thoughts. Like, do you have negative thoughts that are holding you back? Are you the reason? Like, are you your own bully? Like, really think about that.
Being honest with yourself, accountable to yourself, authentic. I dig it.
I'm going to cook for you. You're going to help me change the tire.
Let's do it.
I've got a Milton Berle joke book I got to brush up on.